Hi, I'm Matt Muenster, home improvement TV host. And for years, I've helped homeowners transform their homes. But now it's time to focus on mine. Here we are at Renewal by Andersen, where my windows are being built right here in America. Now, one of the coolest things about this product is these aren't some standard size windows being pulled off a shelf. Now, these are being custom built right here for my house. And I get to meet the president of Renewal by Andersen, Paul Delahunt, and he's going to show me how they do it. Come on. Paul.
Matt.
Good to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
So, this is great to be in the factory. Look at this.
Yeah, we really make windows here.
We really make windows here. Now let me ask you about the windows a little bit. So you guys are making windows around the clock for people all over the country. How do you maintain consistency and quality from window to window?
I think quality comes down to a few things. You know, one is the materials you use, two is the design, three is rigorous testing, and then of course the manufacturing excellence and all the investments we've been making in robotics and you know, precision manufacturing equipment, etc. That helps us keep that quality every time.
And people.
And people.
I mean, this is built right here in America. Who can really even say that anymore?
That's right.
It's a community thing. You can feel it when you walk up to the building.
Yeah, there's a lot of pride here in the company.
Yeah.
People love working here. They know what they do is important. They know it matters to homeowners. They know it matters to you know, our teammates in the field, and they really kind of support each other too. So it's a great culture.
Yeah. Every window's custom built. And when you have a house, even just like mine with these giant windows, I can't just pull something off a shelf.
Right.
And that's what you guys do. I don't see any shelves.
No, there's no shelves. Everything we call it, you know, custom made to order. So we don't do anything until we have Matt Muenster's order in hand. Each one has the homeowner's name, their address, what room it is in the house. There's labels on it because, again, it's all made to order and custom for each job.
There's a lot of companies making windows. What makes you guys unique, special?
Longevity and durability is kind of built into our DNA.
Yeah, it's been a century, yeah.
Andersen's been around 115 years, so that not many companies can say that. Yeah. But then, you know, we look at the materials. So we talk about Fibrex as our material, which a lot of people, you know, may not have heard of. But Fibrex is a composite that Andersen created, patented, and perfected over the last 25 years. And Fibrex is a composite that kind of gives you the best of both worlds: the beauty and strength of wood, along with the maintenance-free finish of vinyl. Yeah,
it sold me on it. I'm a construction guy. I'm not a maintenance guy.
Right.
I want those things in. And done.
They'll never peel, rot, crack, chip. They're also decay resistant to termites, you know, unlike wood. So got a lot of good things.
A lot of good things going for them. And every window's badged with a name. So you're gonna see my window in a box.
I think we're making it today. It's out there. Let's go see them.
Let's go see them. All right.
Moment of truth.
What do you got for me?
I think we have your windows there, Matt. Yeah, these two right here. They're going to be going in your home.
Dude. That's cool. I mean, I was excited with the drawings and knowing it's happening. That's the next level excitement.
Yeah, it makes it feel real.
It does.
Thank you, Paul. Hey, thanks for coming to visit us.
Okay,
Great. Yeah.